It is absolutely gorgeous tonight. And I love the smell of fresh cut grass. And we're walking the puppies. Come on, guys, let's go. Just don't fall in the hole. I had them going at a pretty good clip. Let's do it again. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Go, go, go. There we 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 go. Don't get run over by a golf cart. There we go. Silly little guys. Get some energy out of your little systems. The park has calmed down. It's July 5th, 2023, and the park has calmed down. Their activities were from Friday through Sunday, and yeah, so now it's all nice and calm again. Maybe it's a 6. I don't know. Stellar evening, absolutely stellar evening. Huh. Y'all enjoying this evening? Yeah. I just have to be careful not to walk them too far. I have a tendency to do that. They're little tiny guys, and they're 10 years old, and they have arthritis. Yes, they have arthritis. Yes, they do. Okay, carry on. Come on. Come on. Good. Go this way. There you go. Oh, here comes a car. Come on. Pull them off the road for the cars. And when I walk them during the dark hours, I walk with a flashlight on them. I mean, the flashlight isn't attached to them, but I shine a flashlight on them if I see golf carts or cars coming, just so people can see I'm walking dogs. Okay, let's get back to the house. Beautiful. Just beautiful. The pine trees against that sky, gorgeous. So this is rather interesting. I found this on the back of my van. Huh. Fingerprints. Were they trying to get in? Were they checking to see if this window would pop open, which it doesn't? I don't know. Were they trying to peek in? If they were, they can't see anything. It's rather suspicious, isn't it? I'm working on a couple of projects. Today I have this Black & Decker 6-in-1 toolkit thing. It's pretty cool. So it has several different attachments that you can hook onto this. And I am going to use the sander for this. And I am also going to use the jigsaw to cut this with. And over there is my new solar panel. Going to set that up first. to charge up a power station. I bought a 200 watt solar panel. So now I've got all the solar panel I need. I have two 100 watt panels and this 200 watt. So, and the 200 watt can charge up both of my Bluetti EB3As at the same time, which is a pretty cool deal. So I'm going to set that up first. Okay, solar panel set up. That was quick and easy. And has that yellow connection XT or whatever it is. I'll put it in the subtitle. And got the power station plugged in. And we're running at 120 watts, 123, 125, 128. Okay, well, it shouldn't take long to charge up. It's 76%. 132. Ah, wonder what it'll top off at. $141, $145. Okay, getting some good solar power here with it. 150. There's ants everywhere. I was gonna sit on the ground. I don't think so. No. Get ants in my pants. Got one on my arm already. 158. Oh, wow. Still climbing. Oh, now it's dropping. Okay, so we'll call it 157. It's dropping. But anyhow, yeah, it topped off at 158. Got a sun right up here. Go. Let's see. It is almost 3 o'clock, 2:53. So we'll see how long it takes that to charge. However, it is already set at 76% charged. So we'll see what we get out of it. It looks like the sun is directly on the panels. I started this at 2:57. It is now 3:16. It was at 76%. Oh, wow. We're at 94% already. So we'll be charged up in no time. Cool. It would take longer with the 100 watters. But I still need my 100 watters for my other batteries. So this is pretty cool though. Yeah. Like. Okay, it's about 3:30. Wow, 100% already. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. It's a keeper for sure. I'll put it all away now. Oops. Don't need this one yet. We're gonna sand. Okay, what am I doing wrong? There we go. Get it out. There we go. You know, I've used this a few times without even charging it, so that's pretty cool. Okay, I just want to use the 60 grit. Okay, we're gonna sand this piece of wood here. All right, we're at the piece of wood. I hope that my earphones act as a mic also. I don't know if they do or not. Apparently I'm not very good at this. Now I'm going to put the jigsaw on it and just cut it across here. I only need this much of this board. The only reason I sanded it is because it was sitting outside for a while. Okay, I just have to cut it straight across here. Seriously? Maybe I didn't lock it back down. That was a bad cut. That's a really bad cut. Let's see if it fits my project now. I just used my 6-in-1 toolkit, which is awesome, awesome, awesome for van life. Wow. Whether it be van camping, van travel, or what have you, it is a pretty cool tool to have. You don't have to carry around a whole bunch of different tools. So all the attachments just attach onto that piece down there. So I cut out this wood here and I made a platform. And what did I make a platform for? Well, let's go out to the van and see. Oops. Gotta move my solar panel and stuff. I bought this collapsible hassock, whatever you call it, storage bin. It all these for like 15 bucks, I think. It was, so I made a platform and put that inside of it. Why? What is the purpose of this? Let's put it this way. There we go. And what is the purpose of making a platform? The purpose is so I can stick this inside of it. What is this? All right, that's gonna work perfectly. This is my portable toilet. So now I can store the bags down on the side, and the lid's laying around right here. And I made the platform because it wouldn't sit to the top. It was dropped down a couple of inches. Now I've got it at a perfect level. Put the lid back on. When I don't need it, I can stow it away underneath here. Cool. All right, that works for me. That works for me. And I still have breathing space for my vents there. And of course, that's just a drop-down panel type thing. Just a little curtain. And over here, see, it'd be easy to pull out when I need to use it. And over here, I bungeed up my batteries. Those are the batteries that run my fridges when I'm off grid. And they'll be easy enough to pull out when I need to recharge them. And to put a piece of bubble wrap in between them to help secure them, or to help them from rubbing against each other. To keep them from rubbing against each other. So, yes. We're coming along. I have quite a mess right now. because I did dog laundry the other day, so the beds are stacked up there. And just chair there, a chair there, a box of stuff there, my egg carrier, because I got in my ice chest the other day and got something out and forgot to put the eggs back in, so they sat in that for a couple of days, so I had to throw the eggs away. But it's all about, I'm getting organized. I am getting organized. One of my power stations is in here now. I just keep it in here in this because this will keep it from getting too hot or too cold. This bag, it's a Igloo soft ice chest thing. It cost me about $32, but it's worth it to save that Blue Eddy. And that way, if it falls, it's not going to get damaged. It's pretty well padded. Alrighty. Whew. Hot day, hot day. At least I'm not in Texas. It's way hotter in Texas. It's about 80 degrees out here, I think, today. So, it's supposed to get up to 83. And I did a test with my solar panel. And to test it up, my new 200-watt solar panel, to charge up this Blue Eddy here that's in this bag. And it charged it up within a half hour. Of course, it was at 76% when I started it. So, it wasn't a bad deal at all. About within a half hour, maybe a little bit over a half hour, it charged it up. And of course, people are driving past wondering why in the heck I've got a solar panel sitting outside and what am I charging, because apparently we have hookups here. So it's kind of funny. Okay, so that's my Toity. Now I can keep it set up all the time and just slide it under there. Find my bags, find my toilet paper. And I also have a bunch of silica gel packs, but I don't have them with me. Oh, look at that. Okay, it's an ottoman. That's what they're called. So, nice. I guess that probably goes in the bottom. Yeah, okay, that goes in the bottom of this to keep it sturdy. Okay, I'll put that in there then.